Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another analysis on volatility 10 index. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I personally do my analysis before taking entry. So I'm a scalper. So here's what I do. I go to the higher time frame. All right, so I call this the top down analysis, where I go to the higher time frame. Then I'll try to get the direction of the market, the overall direction of the market. Then I try to take trade towards that direction alone. All right, so that's what I'll be showing you guys here in this video. So if that's what interests you, make sure to stick to the video to the very end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video, because there are a lot of information you are gonna be missing when you do that. Okay, so I'm going to head up to the weekly time frame. Right, so today I'll be starting from the weekly. Right, so here on the weekly, you can see that the overall trend here is a downtrend, right? So I'm going to I'll step down to the daily. Now here on the daily, I'll try to put in some trend tools in order to get a better understanding of what the market is doing. So here is what happened previously. All right, there was a counter trend line here, an uptrend line. All right, price was previously moving towards the up direction, then it broke below our trend line. Now you can see that it's kind of going for retest around this area. Now that's what's happening here. All right, so now I'll step down to the 4 hours time frame in order to get a better understanding of what's happening. All right, so me going down to the 4 hours is kind of like going closer to price in order to know what's happening clearly. So here you can see that there is a resistance and support zone here, right? So I'll try to mark it out. Right, so from here down to this area where price is currently, so you can see this is what's kind of holding price right now. So price is kind of struggling around this area, whether to break and go up or to go down, right? So now we'll put in some other tools in order to get better understanding. I can spot some vertical support and resistance zone around here, so I would use my trend line to mark it out. Right, now we'll step down to 1 hour time frame to get better understanding again of what the market is doing. So here on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm seeing currently. So now I'll step down to the 30-minute time frame. All right, so here on the 30-minute time frame, this is what I can spot here. All right, so this is where price is currently. You can see that price struggle a little bit here, up and down in this zone here, and you can see it made some faked out around here. I don't know if it's a faked out or because this candlestick has not yet closing, right? So if it closed below this trend line, then it means price made a faked out and is going to continue to the downside towards this area here, right? Towards this area, which I can see some support and resistance zone around here also, right? So if price can close below this, then we'll be taking the sell. All right, but if it doesn't, then I'll still look for a buy to the upside, right? Depending on what I see. So if this candlestick can close below this is the 1 hour. Let's go down to the 30 minutes. So now if this candlestick here closes below this trend line, I'll be looking for a sell to the downside, right? I'll be looking for a sell to this area, right? But that's the plan B. That's what I'm currently looking out, because the overall trend of the market is a downtrend, judging from the 15-minute time frame, right? Judging from the weekly time frame, sorry. Now if it fails, right, if it fails, because as you can see right here from the daily, right, so the retest now is either going to be rejected by this zone here, or if this zone fails, then I believe it's going to go up here to be rejected by this one also, right? So but since we can't actually tell the next movement in the markets, all we have to do is to just do our prediction and wait for price to do its thing, right? So now I'll go down to the so here this is the 30-minute time frame now. So this is what I'm trying to do, guys. I'll be waiting for, this is the plan A, right? Now for the plan B, since I know that if price breaks above this area, it's heading to this area, right? So the plan B is that I'll wait for price to break right above this area, come back for retest, and then I'll be buying to this area, right? So this is what I'm like watching out for now. So if this candlestick closes below this area, right, I'll be looking for a sell to this area here, to this downside here, where I can spot the nearest resistance, right? Around this area is where I'll be selling to. But if it fails, then I'll be looking for my buy to this area. All right, so this is how we are going to play it. Is either I buy or I sell, right? Now all I have to do is to wait for price to do its thing, and what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking my entry with the risks I can afford to lose, right? So I'll either take this risk here, selling to the downside, placing my stop loss at a convenient area that I know that the risk will not be too much, and if it fails, then I'll be looking for buy, right? I'll be looking for buy and be placing the stop loss in a convenient area where I know will not like get me emotional, right? So yeah, I know will not get me emotional if the trade goes against me. All right, so this is how I plan on attacking this market, right? This is how I plan on taking my entry in the market, right, in the nearest future. All right, so this is what I've decided to like share with you guys today. So if you're a new viewer and you are getting value from this, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And for my returning viewers, thanks for your support. And for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. To make sure to join, and your life will never remain the same. All right, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.